Hey guys, this is Time FK7. Welcome back to the channel. And I seriously need a haircut and I need to fix my facial hair. Anyways, LASFIT has sent some high beams for me to install on this car. So this video is just going to be a short video, and today we're going to be installing the LASFIT high beams on the FK7. Now, I also want to address one of the issues that I'm having with the car. Well, not really issues, but this is my left wheel. This is on the driver's side, and it is pretty banged up. This is actually my doing. You know how you have those drive-thrus at the bank, and like I wasn't paying attention, and so as I was leaving, I turned the wheel, and then all I heard was scraping, lots of scraping. And you know, I drove a couple blocks away because I was too embarrassed to go out my car. And yeah, when I got out of my car, this is what I saw. This whole thing is now damaged. Even the tire, like this rubber is actually coming off. But the wheel is fine. There's no imbalancing, or the steering wheel isn't wobbling or any of that. So it's either I'm gonna find a way to repair this wheel, or save up and buy a new pair of wheels, or a new set of wheels, which is highly likely because I know a lot of you guys have been requesting for a new set of wheels on this car in particular. Now, I already have a winter set on the Type R ready for winter, ready to go, and I actually bought it from one of my buddies. So I've got a pretty nice pair of wheels ready for the Type R. Anyways, this video is not about the Type R. This is about the Sport. As I said earlier, we're going to be doing a high beam install, but I want to ask you guys, have you guys repaired your wheels before? If you did damage them, if so, what was the process, and how difficult was it? Because I've never actually repaired a wheel, and I've never actually curbed the wheel. This is my first time damaging my wheels. I know there's a lot of sanding involved and all that stuff, but like on a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult is it to fix wheels? Is it worth it, or should I just buy new ones? And since we're already outside, I want to show you guys what I use to wash my car. So this is a foam cannon that I got from Amazon. It's 20 bucks, and it's probably the best $20 that I've spent on Amazon, because you do get this really cool foam cannon, and then you get the little nozzle pressure things, so you can adjust your pressure. And like, this is a really nice tool to have if you have a pressure washer and you want to have like foam. So if you guys want me to do a review on this, go ahead, comment down below, and then I'll show you guys some clips of me using this and how I clean this car as well as that car, using this and all the stuff that I use. So yeah, comment down below if you guys want to see a video like that. But yeah, anyways, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so this video is going to be filmed in the dark, only because daylight is getting shorter. It's about 7 o'clock and it's already pitch black outside. So without further ado, first step is to pop the hood, and we're going to grab our new LED lighting. And it's pretty simple. If you guys haven't watched the first installation video on the channel that I made about a year ago, be sure to check that out. It was also filmed in the dark, because we filmed it at pretty much the same time as when we're filming this video now. So anyways, your high beams for the non-LED headlights of the 10th gen Civics. I know it's a little dirty, but this right here is your high beam, that's your low beam. So you're just gonna look over there directly behind this part right here. So if we go over here, this right here is your high beam. With this one, since we already did the install, all we really have to do is just twist this to the left and just pull out. And it should just pop right off, just like that. Unfortunately, I lost the stock high beam bulbs, so I can't really show you a before and after of the stock versus the LASFIT ones. But yeah, this is the C-Light ones, and we're basically just gonna take this off. And then once we get this blue guy right here, this is where your light bulb is actually gonna be connected to. And basically, all you have to do is just pinch this to release like this, like that. So it comes out like that. So we're gonna grab our new bulbs and we're just gonna plug it in. There you go. So don't put this in yet because you're gonna want to test this out first. So we're gonna do just that. Okay, so that's not working. That's why it's important to test these out first before putting it back in the housing, because you never know if it's not gonna work. Just like what happened now. So we're gonna take this off, flip it around. There you go. All right, now it works. To give you guys a closer look, this is the high beams from Amazon. That's what it looks like. It has like a yellowish tint to it. This is the one from LASFIT. So these two bulbs are pretty similar in terms of lighting. LASFIT has a more OEM color to it, whereas the high beam from Amazon has like a bluish tint. Now we're outside in an open area. So this is the regular low beams, also LS from LASFIT. And now I'm going to be switching on the high beams from LASFIT. Oh, that's not it. That's a fail. Alright, high beams, there you go. So as you can see, these beams are really bright. If we zoom in the tree over there, you can see it. And then if we turn it off, you can't really see anything up there. So if we turn it back on, so you can see the tree and the stuff that's around it. So the light really reaches from far away. They're pretty much all the same color now. It matches the OEM lighting. Same with over here. So you're not gonna get that discoloration. Hey Flippy, do you know what time it is? It's time for subscriber builds, where I show off your builds on my channel. And our first build for today is... Our first build for today is from Cruz Hernandez, and he says, "Hey Chris, my name is Cruz and I live here in Los Angeles County. I own a 2021 Civic Sport, and I just wanted to say that I've been watching your videos for quite some time. I've also picked up some small mods that I found online or on Amazon. Check it out. Keep it up with that Type R." Finally, we have Justin's build, and he says, "Hi Chris, I enjoy your channel. Congrats on your new Civic Type R purchase. The color is cool. Here's my 2017 Civic Hatchback EXL. If you want your build to be featured on my channel, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on my channel. Back to the video. Oh, shit. Be sure to hit that like button if you like this video. If you're looking for LED lights or floor mats, check out LASFIT's website because they do offer high quality products. I myself installed it on this car and on my Sport, and I really love their products. Be sure to use my code CTFK7 because you will get that discount of 10% off. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I do make content twice a week, Saturday and Wednesday. Thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.